In front of me is OPPO Reno 13F, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it, use pin icon here, and to unpin it, do exactly the same. To get rid of it though, hold it again, and this time use delete icon. To disable Clipboard completely, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!